Well, the good news is that we've got heat, and just in the nick of time, right before the cold snap started and it started raining outside. But this is the ridiculous shit we're still living in here, okay? Because we're still working on the floors. And this is no small job. Several steps in this process. And this is what the kitchen looks like today. Uh-huh. Someone's taking a break, a lunch break. There's no lunch breaks here. Get to work. Look at this craziness still happening back here. Preposterous. This is what the utility / laundry room looks like now. Lord, lordy, 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 help me. This is not a lot of fun. But we're still going to get through it. Right, Thomas? He's very proud of himself. He should be. It looks beautiful. And it works. It's actually retaining the heat the way that it was supposed to. So we've been warm, which is very important.